Estes Heating and Air Conditioning was started in 1992. This year was our 25th anniversary of providing service in the Jacksonville and Jacksonville Beaches area. We provide residential and light commercial heating and air conditioning and also commercial refrigeration services. Estes Heating and Air Conditioning offers preventative maintenance all year round. However, most of our maintenance services are due in the spring and fall. Our mission is to provide top-notch service for heating and air conditioning customers in this Jacksonville area.
Thank you, Jacksonville. Estes is the besties.